guys, I'm out here on a cold, crisp January afternoon because Steve Hafley and I signed up for a team 3D archery shoot at the end of this month. I'm using the traditional recurve and he's using the compound, and it's at Bloomsburg Fairgrounds, January 23rd to the 26th, and it's hosted by Bloomsburg Archery Club. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to throw 6 arrows downrange. The key is to have a good consistent draw and a good consistent release, nice and smooth. It's going off the IBO scoring system, and I'll explain what that means in a minute. I drew circles and rings down there with the scoring, so let's see what these 6 do. That's 3 arrows. I got 3 more. Nice and smooth. I'm a little low. I got to bring it up just a little. I'm at 20 yards. All right, so here's where my 6 arrows landed. You'll see these 2 at the bottom. They score a 5 because if they hit the animal anywhere in the same color, it's a 5. I have one actually on the line, and it scores the higher point, so that would be a 10. And then I have 2 in the 8s. That's the next ring. That's not too bad, right? Obviously you want to be here at 11, right in the middle, the vitals, but anywhere 10 to 8 is really good. And so that's, again, that's at 20 yards. Not bad for shooting 6 arrows cold. Not shooting for a month or 2. So we're just going to build on this and get better, and Steve and I are going to hopefully bring home some type of prize for our natural born killer folks. So thanks.